This method propagates orchids from a flower spike. I tested it on a Phalaenopsis spike. Here's what I did and what happened after a couple of weeks. Here we can see the plant was stable, leaves firm, roots active. The spike was still green, but not branching. I wanted a keiki, not another bloom. Most people wait and hope for a keiki, or they cut the spike randomly and lose viable nodes. Another mistake is sealing the cut too early and keeping the node too wet. I cut the spike into sections. Each section had one node. I removed the dry sheath to expose the node. The spike is still green and firm. This is a suitable stage for propagation. It came from a healthy Phalaenopsis. Leaves were stable, roots active. The spike had visible nodes and no signs of drying. Make a small incision to expose the node. Use a clean razor blade. Sterilize it first. Lift and remove the dry sheath covering the node. Do not cut into the node itself. Next, prepare a jar or a container, then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a container. Then mix it with water until fully dissolved. This is used as a light surface treatment. Most people treat this like a growth booster, due to it helps keep the cut surface cleaner. Let the solution sit for 30 minutes. This allows the powder to settle and disperse in the water. No strong effect beyond that. After 30 minutes, strain the mixture and keep only the liquid. Remove all solid particles. The goal is a clear, thin solution. Residue can coat the node and hold excess moisture. Add a small amount of banana enzyme to the filtered liquid. Mix gently until combined. Keep the solution thin. Do not concentrate it. Then add water to dilute the mixture. Keep the solution weak. It should look light and clear, not dense or cloudy. Then add water to dilute the mixture. Keep the solution weak. It should look light and clear, not dense or cloudy. The goal is light surface contact, not saturation. The spike should be slightly damp, not wet. Most people overapply and soak the node. That increases the risk of rot, especially in a closed environment. Place the lower half of the spike in the solution for 20 minutes. Only submerge the base. Keep the nodes above the liquid level. Do not soak the entire section. Prepare a small amount of cotton and soak it in the same solution. Squeeze out excess liquid. The cotton should be damp, not dripping. This will be a temporary base for the spike. It holds moisture, but still allows some air around the node. After 20 minutes, remove the spike from the solution. Gently wipe it dry with a clean tissue. Remove surface moisture, especially around the cut and nodes. Do not leave it wet. Excess moisture at this stage increases the risk of rot in a closed setup. Use the soaked cotton as the base. After soaking, squeeze it thoroughly. Press until no water drips out. The cotton should feel evenly damp, not heavy or compact. If it clumps together, loosen it by hand. Place a thin, loose layer into a small container. Around 2 to 3 centimeters thick is enough. Do not pack it down. Air pockets are needed to prevent stagnation. Lay the spike on top of the cotton. Keep the node in light contact with the surface. Do not press it in and do not bury it. The node should stay exposed to air while still touching moisture. If the cotton starts to dry, lightly mist it. Do not pour water directly. The goal is stable moisture, not fluctuation. Cover the container to hold humidity. Use a lid or plastic wrap, but leave a small gap for airflow. Fully sealed containers tend to trap excess moisture and increase contamination risk. Place it in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sun. Heat buildup inside a closed container can damage the tissue. After 4 weeks, new growth is visible on the spike. A small base has formed at the node. Early roots are emerging. New leaves are also developing, but still small. This indicates the node has activated and started forming a keiki. Growth is stable at this stage, but still sensitive. At this stage, the spike has the basic structures needed to develop into a new plant. You can see early leaves and root tips forming. This confirms the node has activated and is sustaining growth on its own. It is not independent yet. The roots are still short and need time to strengthen before separation. From this point, move the spike into a more stable growing setup. Use a small pot with good drainage. Add a handful of coarse pine bark. Avoid fine or compact media. Top it with a small layer of moss. Use long fiber sphagnum. Keep the layer thin and loose. Do not pack it down. Place the moss around the roots, not over the node. The node should stay exposed to air. Position the spike in the pot and let it settle naturally. Adjust it so the base is stable and the roots make light contact with the bark. Do not force it down or bend the spike. Keep the node above the media. Only the roots should touch the bark and moss. Once positioned, leave it undisturbed. Stability helps the roots attach and adapt to the new medium. From this point, routine care determines the outcome. Keep light bright and indirect. Avoid direct sun. Maintain stable temperature and airflow. Water only when the bark is close to dry. Do not keep the pot constantly wet. Light watering is enough at this stage. Humidity should be moderate, not sealed, not overly dry. Adjust based on how fast the media dries. Do not fertilize immediately. Wait until you see active root growth and new leaf expansion. Check regularly. If roots turn soft or the base darkens, reduce moisture and increase airflow. Only start light feeding once roots are actively growing into the medium. Use a weak orchid fertilizer. Low concentration. Infrequent application. Flush with plain water between feedings to prevent buildup. If the moss stays wet for too long, reduce the amount or increase airflow. If it dries too fast, lightly adjust moisture. Keep conditions stable rather than reacting daily. Avoid repotting again too soon. Let the plant establish. Disturbing new roots slows progress. And there you have it, the full process and the result after 4 weeks. One node developed into a keiki. One stayed inactive. One failed. The method can work, but it's not consistent. If you find this video useful and able to help you propagate many new orchid, please consider giving a like and subscribe for more future content. Thank you for watching. Until next time,